Hello guys, this is on how you can fund your account on Exness. Okay, try to sign in your account. Okay, when you are signed in, you want to click on open new account. Okay, you come on here. When you come on here, you see varieties of account, types of account, okay, that you can create. Okay, they have pro account, they have raw spirit account, they have different kind of accounts right here. Okay, type of account that you can create. Okay, for me, I like using the first one, which is a standard account. Okay, so yeah, we have to use the standard account. Let's go back. So right here, you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you come on right here. Make sure you're on real. You can see it right there. Okay, then you click on here. Right here is where they call leverage. So here is better you select lowest, okay, but it's always better you go for 1 to 50. Okay, yes, it's always better you go for 1 to 50, so you don't lose all your money like to the broker. So that's it. I'll talk about broker on my next video. So, and if you have so smaller amount of money, then you should go for the smaller leverage. So right here is where you select the currency you want your money to appear in. Okay, and right here is where you impute your nickname. Okay, you can put your nickname right here, Biscuit or Davido or anything. My name is Renigo. So here you come on here, you select your password. After you already done doing that, then you have to click on create an account. So make sure that your password will have one uppercase and small and one lowercase, and put in number as well, and a special character like hash or stuff. So you create the account, and you see I have my account right here already created. Okay, so you click on that new, you come on here. Okay, so right here I want to show you, you can remember we created MT4 account before. This one is MT5. So right there you can see, you click on continue. So right now we go almost the same procedure, but in this case you come on here, select the same thing we just did right there. Okay, but in this case we are using MT5. Don't worry, I'm going to explain what that is later. So come on here and repeat the same thing. Okay, yeah, remember the first account we created was MT4. Okay, and right now we have MT5 and MT4. So that is it. So right now we want to fund the account. So as we want to fund the account, we are going to click on, there's a 3 dots by your left side right there, 3 dots here. You come on there, come on settings. If you come on settings right here, you check if you're already verified. If you're not verified, use your national ID card or any BVN or anything they will request that you should use to verify your account. After you're done doing that, then we have to fund this account. You come on the 3 dots again, come on deposit. Okay, yes, the verification doesn't even take any kind of longer period of time. Okay, then you come on that deposit. We are waiting to deposit money right now. Let's wait a little bit. So right now you click on here, online bank, right there. Yeah, right there. So when you click on there, you will arrive right here. So let's come on here, let me show you guys something. So right here you can select if to fund your MT5 or MT4. So this is MT5, this is MT4. I'll show you guys what that is. So you select anyone you want to fund. So after selecting on MT4 or MT5 that you want to fund, okay, don't worry, then you come down here and impute how much you want to deposit. Okay, right now I'm in Nigeria, so you're going to see a currency in Nigeria right there. So I'm going to impute 70,000 naira. Okay, so yeah, so you impute how much you want to deposit. You can deposit 2,000, 3,000 naira, any amount you want to deposit. You can deposit it 2,500, 3,000, 5,000. You can deposit it right here. So you click on continue after selecting the amount of money that you want to deposit. Click on continue right there that you're seeing that is on there. So you click on there. They won't charge you no fee. Okay, 0 fee. They won't charge you anything. So when you click on there, okay, next thing here is to confirm. Okay, yes, you want to confirm that you want to transfer, and you can see the exchange rate right there. Okay, 1,488. Okay, so you're almost 1,500 naira. Okay, so no commission. They ain't charging you no commission. You click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, okay, yeah, I had to start afresh for you guys to say that this is a fresh one. So you wait for this to come up. Okay, you're waiting for them to provide us a bank details to send in the money. Okay, so you first see this. Okay, So after seeing this, next one, you are going to see this. Make sure you click on I understand these instructions. Okay, read it carefully. And after doing that, you click on continue. So after you click on that continue, okay, then you're going to you're going to see the payment details on your screen. These are the payment details. Okay, and on the screen right here, the one I've highlighted right now is the account number you're sending this money to. Okay, when you send this money to it, okay, the bank is VFD microfinance bank. Okay, so you send it right there. So you have approximately 59 minutes to make this transfer, and take your time. After you are done doing that, okay, then you're supposed to see your money reflecting in your account. Okay, if you are on my group, then you can send in, if you're on my group or on my Telegram, you can send a screenshot. Let me know where you are at the moment to know if you're getting everything correctly. Let me know if this video really helped you.